Welcome to Review Rumble. The best car seat cleaner machine is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner who takes pride in maintaining a pristine interior, as it effectively tackles stubborn stains, unpleasant odors, and accumulated grime that regular cleaning methods often miss, ensuring your vehicle's seats not only look spotless but also feel fresh and hygienic, ultimately enhancing your driving experience and preserving the value of your car. Number 5. Bissell Little Green 1400B. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their portable deep cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand for a reason. Tired of stubborn messes? Our scientifically proven formula lifts and removes over 100 common messes and stains, taking the stress out of cleanup. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling like new. With a large 48-ounce clean water tank, you can clean more without interruption. Tackle bigger jobs with ease and efficiency. Getting rid of tough stains is simple. Just spray, scrub, and suction away the mess for a truly deep clean. Don't just cover up stains with paper towels. Our cleaner gets deep beneath the surface to remove stains and odors effectively. Feel good about your purchase. Every unit sold helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This is the #1 brand in portable deep cleaning for a reason. It's scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains. If you're looking for a reliable, go-to cleaner for everyday spills and tough stains, especially if you have pets, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and the results are amazing. It effectively removes stains and odors from car seats. The compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 4. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0. Experience a new standard in automotive cleaning. Our improved vacuum boasts 110 W of cleaning power and an integrated LED light. It conveniently uses your car's 12V outlet for power. Keep your car's interior tidy with our comprehensive cleaning kit. It includes multiple attachments for detailing, a carry bag, and a filter cleaning brush for easy maintenance. This mini vacuum is designed for convenience. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it perfect for tackling everyday messes like ash, dust, or food spills. Designed for on-the-go use, it easily reaches difficult areas. Whether it's sand from the beach or pet hair, this portable cleaner is up to the task. The LED light is especially helpful in dark spaces. Make your Father's Day shopping easier with this practical gift. Its long 16-foot cord provides ample reach for cleaning your entire car. It's also great for use on boats. What we like. This offers ultimate high power for your car's interior with its 110 W cleaning capability. It also features an integrated LED light to help you see in dark corners. If you need a compact and powerful handheld vacuum for quick cleanups of crumbs, dust, or even sand after a beach trip, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and effective at removing stains. It comes with multiple attachments that allow you to clean different surfaces. The powerful suction makes it great for deep cleaning upholstery. Number 3. Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. Experience a powerful clean that penetrates deep into fibers. It lifts dirt, debris, and stains, restoring surfaces to a like-new appearance. This cleaner is safe for both synthetic and natural fibers, ensuring no discoloration or fading. It's ideal for delicate interior fabrics and car seats. It targets stubborn stains from coffee, soda, food, and pets. Plus, it neutralizes odors at the source, leaving a fresh citrus scent. Perfect for car interiors, RVs, boats, home furniture, and office chairs. It restores comfort and cleanliness to any fabric surface. Simply shake, dilute, agitate with a brush, and blot or vacuum. Achieve professional-level cleaning results without harsh chemicals. Our oxygen-infused cleaners create super bubbles. This foam lifts and separates dirt and stains, making cleaning easier than ever. What we like. This cleaner uses a high foaming action to penetrate deep into fibers, lifting dirt and stains effectively. It's safe on all fabrics and leaves a fresh citrus scent. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can tackle upholstery, carpets, and floor mats in your car, home, or office, and you appreciate a pleasant scent, this is a great option. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and the results are amazing. It effectively removes dirt and stains from car seats, leaving them looking like new. The compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 2. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro 2458. Introducing the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro. It's designed to tackle those stubborn pet stains and tough spots on carpets and upholstery. With its 5-foot flex hose, you can easily clean those hard-to-reach areas. This includes stairs, car interiors, and delicate area rugs. This model comes with a specialized pet stain trapper tool. It's perfect for lifting away messes caused by your furry friends. Enjoy the convenience of a 22-foot power cord for extended reach. Its powerful 5.7 amp motor ensures effective cleaning performance. Weighing just 13.2 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver. Plus, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This is a professional-grade spot cleaner specifically designed for tough pet stains. Its 5-foot flex hose and included pet stain trapper tool make it easy to reach and clean difficult areas like stairs and upholstery. If you have pets and are constantly battling pet-related messes, this machine is built to handle those specific challenges effectively. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and effective at removing stains from car seats. It has a powerful suction that pulls out dirt and grime, leaving the fabric looking like new. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 1. CR Guy's Interior Car Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Tired of interior cleaners that just don't cut it? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle even the most stubborn dirt, grime, and tough stains. You'll see impressive results with minimal effort, leaving your car's interior looking like new. From leather seats to carpet and upholstery, this cleaner does it all. It's safe and effective on a wide range of interior surfaces, including vinyl, plastic, and rubber. Simplify your cleaning routine with one versatile product. Unlike other cleaners that leave behind sticky residue or a greasy feel, ours provides a truly clean finish. Enjoy a fresh, residue-free interior after every use, without the need for a second wipe down. Our no-rinse formula makes cleaning a breeze. Simply spray, agitate with the included microfiber towel, and wipe away the mess. It's a quick and easy way to achieve a spotless interior in no time. This comprehensive 18-ounce kit includes our professional-grade microfiber towel, offering exceptional value. A little goes a long way, ensuring you can keep multiple vehicles looking their best for longer. We stand behind our product with a zero-risk policy. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, we'll make it right. Experience the difference today. What we like. This is a powerful, all-in-one interior cleaner that works on a variety of surfaces including leather, carpet, and upholstery. It leaves zero residue and has a no-rinse formula, making cleaning quick and easy. If you want a single product to handle most of your car's interior cleaning needs with minimal effort and a clean finish, this is the one to consider. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and effective at removing stains. It comes with multiple attachments that allow you to clean different surfaces. The powerful suction feature makes it great for deep cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.